Another bullhead. Unhand him. These. Hey everybody, so me and Blake are here on Santee. It's getting to be evening time. We're about to see if we can catch some crappie off the dock here, so stay tuned and we'll see how many crappie we can get, and maybe even a flathead or two. So guys, we're just using telescopic shooting star rods, and when the crappie come in here, they said it's pretty fast and furious, so let's see what happens. Swing him up. First crappie of the night. Not too big, but he counts for the first one. Well, there's something on this rod. Let's see if I can get him up out of these brush piles. Oh, it's a little catfish. He was hungry and wanted a minnow too, I guess. Fat little guy. And that looks like a bullhead. Little bullhead catfish. Make really good flathead bait. And we're gonna throw him back, but he is a good little fat bullhead. And he will cut you with those fins. He's pinching that fin down on my finger. When I go to throw him, he's gonna try and cut me, because these fins have got barbs backwards on them. So with him squeezing on that finger, he's gonna rip me when I go. There we go. Clear. We got one in the brush pile. See if Blake can get him out. Still on there. See if he'll swim out. Let him have some line. Oh man, he's going down. That's probably another catfish. Oh, no. Dang it. That rascal. 3 times this thing has pulled it under, and when we try and set him, he let go. See if I just hold it. Oh sure, now he ain't gonna come back for it. Uh-oh, Blake, the end one just went and came back up. They're here. Oh, it's trying to go again. Oh, I missed mine again. Dad, burn it. I think I went too early. Little white perch has been playing with our minnow. That's what's been grabbing it and letting it go. So we're gonna hook that little white perch I just caught up, and we're gonna throw him out and see if a big flathead or blue will eat him. We're hooking him up with a 6/0 BKK Circle hook through the tail, looks like, and gonna toss him out there and see what happens. Been a bunch of big flatheads caught this week. Talked to a gentleman today that caught a 73-pound flathead this week. So some big ones are getting caught right now on Santee. I got something on with a little size. Maybe another catfish. Bullhead. Another bullhead. I think we ought to keep this one in case we go flathead fishing later this week. Yep, that's a little bullhead. Watch him get you. Must be a bunch of these little guys under here. He is stuck good.
Oh well.
All right, here. Let me see. Hold the thing.
Oh, he's still on.
Oh yeah, he didn't get away. All right, now I just gotta unhand him. These things right here are barbed, so if you were to throw him right now, he'd rip a big cut across your hand. Same thing with that one. So you want to get away from those fins completely before you And Blake just got a little bitty crappie. We're about to throw him back. I got something. Probably another bullhead the way it feels. Oh man, he's taking off. Trying to make it to the brush pile. He's coming up now. Oh man.
Big old crappie.
Oh man, he's off.
Dang it.
All right, Blake just got a crappie. I just lost one. Got to get back in there and get another one. Watch it.
There goes that one.
Yep. Oh, missed him. All right, we'll give him a chance while I bait this other one back up. Oh. Yeah, but there's one on this one. Had one on bite on both of them. Swinging him up. You got him? All right, I'll lay you right down. I'm gonna check bait on mine. I still see a minnow. Okay, I'm going back. Yeah, both of them went down. They're hanging in that tree, I think. Yeah, he's in the tree. I got a fish on, but he is in the Christmas tree. See if I can work him out.
If you love fishing, please subscribe.
Felt like a decent fish and he ran in the tree. He may have got off too, because not going down again. I think he came off and left us with a tree, Blake. Oh, well, I had another little one. He jumped off right here in my hand. Another crappie coming in. Oh, the pole's going down. We ain't catching no monsters, but we're catching some fish. Well, I just had one that came off right when he came out of the water. My solar light went out right when I got a fish. Another little crappie coming in. Well, guys, we're gonna call it out here. We caught several crappie. I caught a few bullhead catfish and one white perch. So we are gonna call it. We had a light out here on the end of the dock that was solar powered and it went out. So figured that was our sign it was time to go. So stay tuned. We'll see what we get into tomorrow.
If you love fishing, please subscribe.